Hello, good morning. Tourist mode muna tayo ngayon. Dito tayo sa dam. Sa dam pala. Oh. Ang long overdue pulag natin ay finally natuloy. Time check. 7:10. Wow, morning person niya. Hi!
Photo op muna ang ating madam.
Slide tayo here to there. My first time here? Is this your first time?
Second.
Quick interview lang po. Where are you guys?
So, alien galing sun.
Ba't po kayo napadpad dito sa Earth?
Mail. Sabi yung transportation namin, no?
Saudi Arabian Hello po. We are now here at the National School. Mag-orientation na daw muna tayo. So, madami-daming tao. So, third batch pa tayo.
Sama ang
Go.
magbablog.
Ako. So, current time is 9:30. Yung orientation daw is 30 minutes to 1 hour. We are here at, where is this? Stickers. Taho daw sana si Serpent, pero baka daw ma-jab siya. Pulag. Taho. Hindi siya taho. Taho. Ang twist nila dito is may pamix ng coffee. Taste test. Lasa mo yung ube. Real ube. Pero yung strawberry it's fake. Mas masarap siya kaysa sa taho ng strawberry farm. Pangit ba't ganito? Charot. No way, hindi tayo magtae mamaya. So, nakapark yung mga sasakyan. Pagdating sa homestay, power nap. Gigising na lang para sa dinner, tapos tutulog ulit. Tapos larga na. After 1 hour of waiting, finally, it's our turn. Mount Pulag Hiker official. Orientation done. Hi.
May bonfire area sila.
Kagigising naming lahat. The current time is, what's the current time, guys? Is 6:13. Ang ating ulam, wow. Sabaw. Here is a very cozy homestay of ours. Kainan na.
Maganda kayo sa amin, ha?
Ayun yung makakakain kapag walang seasoning.
Okay.
Patan mo yung
Dadabog talaga ako dito.
Tapatan mo yung bulak na umakyat.
Hello, guys. Kain tayo, guys. Kain, guys. You know gout, bro. Gout? Yeah. You have gout?
Tinanong pa kasi.
I was looking for somebody.
In Amsterdam, do you see the aurora borealis?
No. It's not north enough. Norway, Sweden, Finland. I think this winter you could see it, but that's very rare. Normally.
Ayun na lang. Introvert talaga ako. Tinalagkad lang ako niya.
Who looks older? Oh my gosh. Don't speak.
I don't think I should answer that question.
That's right.
I'm going to remain quiet.
Very obvious. If you don't want my food fly here. Kain ko kuya.
Ayun!
Si Siwit.
Traditional dance.
Traditional dance sa inuman. Alam niyo kung sinong ano dito sa inuman.
Yun, may afoy na tayo. Ito para angle natin.
Horror, yung mga love life broken heart.
Ay, si Kuya. Ay, wala pa.
Since ikaw ate, o simulan namin sa'yo.
Papatay tayo dyan.
Yan ba ang rason kung ba't ka aakyat ng pulag?
No, I just came here.
Nabudol lang pala ng kasama.
Just feeling myself.
Where do I exist? Oh.
Why
Where do broken hearts go?
Kuya.
Huwag ka iyak!
Kasi ako sa South, kaya gusto ko na.
Nice decision. Ate Arcely! Kuya Joffrey! Naging frog! Time check, 1 AM na. light breakfast, then tayo ay lalarga na. We have sopas, banana, boiled egg. Breakfast time.
Barako, saba, sopas, itlog.
Hi guys, good morning. Biglang wash your armpit, pero itong isang to, tignan mo. Papahugas pa sa akin ng dalawang yan.
Napakaliit lang na
Yan, ayun.
Arriba, arriba. Let's go, Pula. Let's go, Pula. Pasabak na naman natin mga buto eh.
Larga na guys. Ay, kay ate, ano pala yun? So we are approaching Camp 2. From Camp 1 to Camp 2, yun na daw yung pinakamahaba. Pero easy kasi wala siyang masyadong up and down. We guys made it to Camp 2. Hi! Snack time na muna tayo. It's already 3 a.m. And what's the hill? Walking down the street. We made it to the summit. We made it to the summit. Early birds. Hi. We made it. I can feel my hands. Here we go, guys. Liwanag na ng paliwanag. Time check. It's 5:11. Dami pang paakyat, oh. Up, here we go. Oh, uy! We are seen na. Kita na tayo. It's getting brighter, guys. Kuya Job! Kuya Job! Saan kami magandang pupesto? Waiting game. Ilang minutes lang. Guys, pababa na tayo. Finish na ang summit. Ang sunrise. And now, we are going down. Down for real. Hindi na tayo nakapag-vlog kasi photo ops na. Photo ops na ang lahat. Kinaya ang pataas. Kakayanin ang pababa. Uy! Ay! Hindi umabot sa puwet. Munti ka ng caught in, caught in act. Approaching back to Camp 2. At hindi na ganun kalamig kasi may araw na, malamang. Ituloy ang daan. Ito na ang lawak-lawak ng daan. Here. And there. For my sister who saw Bohol, ganun daw yung itsura ng mountains din sa Bohol. So, come na guys, pulag na. Parang nakita niya na din yung Bohol. So hi guys, welcome to this very wide land of mine. Oh, follow me. The first mountain I have heard, and then that's the next. And I built a tower there. After that I created so that my visitors can walk properly. So come on, let's walk down. I'll show you around. Bro, the grasses here I planted all. We are now entering the mossy or yung puno na banda. Habal-habal area. Pero hindi tayo maghahabal-habal. We're back to the homestay. Check 9:12. We're back! We're alive! So far, wala namang natapilok. So far, wala namang naigalis. Mga muntik-muntik. Next, quad peak. Ano masasabi mo sa hike natin? Ikaw, ano masasabi mo sa hike natin?
Okay, first time.
Sabi mo ate sa ating hike.
Sulit.